Unboxing! Share ko lang sa inyo itong aking latest Lazada and Shopee finds na alam kong magugustuhan nyo. Especially kung naghahanap kayo ng moisturizer and at the same time helps lighten your skin and dark spots. This Skintific MSH Niacinamide Brightening Moisture Gel is perfect for us kasi ang main ingredients nito is alpha-arbutin, tranexamic acid, and 5 times ceramide that helps brighten and even out skin tone, reduces dark spots and discoloration, controls excess oil and minimize pores, lightweight gel hydrates without feeling sticky, suitable for daily use and sensitive skin. Na-try ko na rin to several times kaya alam kong effective siya kasi nag-light and glow ang aking face. At meron kasi akong free sample from Skintific. Yun yung trinay ko kaya bumili ako ng malaki kasi nga effective talaga siya. At best, kung gusto mo rin ito i-try, click mo yung comment section, ando doon ang link at caption, ando doon ang codes. Yun lang. Salamat. Add to cart na.